Hello everybody, so in this video I will show you another way to resize all the charts much faster than the previous video. So in the previous video I showed you the code that you can run to change all the size and the size of the figures in the Excel file. But what I'm gonna do in this second video, the second part of this video, I'm gonna connect these two lines in the code to some cells in the Excel file so the user can manually change the numbers in the cell, and this will automatically update all the figures. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So I'm just gonna come to the width here and gonna connect it to cell range B26, and here I'm gonna also connect it to B27. So the width is gonna be in B26 cell and height is gonna be in B27. So if I come here, I just highlight these and then make this as a table, maybe this type. So now, as you can see from the code, I connected the width to this cell and the height to this cell. Good. Let's try it. So we don't need to define any numbers in the code anymore. We can just do everything in this sheet. So for example, I can write 350 or 250 here. Make this 200. See what's gonna happen. So you see, now the user can change the width and height immediately here without going back every time to the code and change the numbers. So you can basically just update these numbers to the size that you want until you're satisfied. Let's see this again. So every time you change the numbers, click on resize the all figures and it's gonna update automatically. I found this much practical and easier for the user to change the size of all figures manually here from here, not going back every time to the developer Visual Basic. This is too many clicks. So the user can basically change immediately everything from here without going back to the this window every time and change the numbers here. I think this is much more practical than the previous method. I can change also the height. If I don't like it, I can just decrease it from here and click on the green button here. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.